Online clothing stores pop up all the time, and some look tempting with trendy clothes and low prices. One such site is jupanova.com. But is this a legit store, or could it be another too good to be true shop? Let's take a close look. So Jupanova markets itself as a fashion brand offering casual clothes, dresses, sweatshirts, pullovers, blouses with typical e-commerce perks: free shipping, over a threshold, refund return policy, secure payment with PayPal or credit cards. Their website shows product listings, policies, and a contact email. On the surface, it has many of the features you'd expect from a real store. However, looking deeper, security review sites give mixed signals. According to one site, Jupanova has a reasonable trust rating, a score of 76 out of 100, suggesting low to medium risk, with a valid SSL certificate and secure payment methods. On another validator, Jupanova earns a more cautious score, 54 out of 100. That rating reflects concerns. The domain's information is privacy protected, and the site's visitor traffic and online footprint appear limited. Both red flags. Scanning tools highlight that the site is relatively new, registered in August 2024, uses a free or low-cost e-commerce backend, common for small or dropshipping shops, and its marketing content seems partly generic or auto-generated, which some correlates with lower reliability stores. In short, Jupanova isn't an obvious instant scam, but it shows warning signs that mean buy with caution. Here's what you need to be careful if you shop there. Hidden data, meaning you can't easily verify the company behind the store. Legit reputable brands usually have transparent contact and business info. Low traffic and little independent feedback. That makes it hard to find real user reviews about product quality or fulfillment reliability. Use of a standard e-commerce template and possibly auto-generated or stock content. That doesn't guarantee a scam, but many low-quality dropshipping stores start that way. As with any online store or of uncertain provenance, you may risk delays, wrong items, poor quality, or hassle if you need to return or refund. Also, even though the site claims refund or return policy and secure payment, these promises mean little if the store fails to fulfill orders or disappears. That's why many security awareness guides advise checking for domain history, contact transparency, and external reviews before buying. Jupanova might work for you if you use a secure payment method with buyer protection like PayPal or a credit card, so you have recourse if things go wrong. Order non-expensive, low-risk items so potential loss isn't large if there is a problem, and accept the possibility of delays or quality that's lower than expectations. So is Jupanova.com legit or fake? The honest assessment, it's unclear. The site passes some basic safety checks, SSL payment methods, but also raises multiple red flags, with hidden ownership and limited track record, with low independent visibility. If you treat it like a maybe gamble, go safe. Use buyer-protected payment, expect possible issues. If you want reliability, quality, and peace of mind, you may want to skip it and shop from more established stores with a track record. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.